Come test drive the 2008 Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, skid plate package, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, OnStar, cruise control, cup holders, console. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.